Earlier, when you want to promote your YouTube videos, you need to go to Google Ads, where you need to fill lots of information about your video, and then run the ads. But Google introduced new feature of advertising your YouTube videos. Now you need not to go to Google Ads. Instead, you can apply for ads in YouTube itself. This new feature enables you to advertise and promote your video easily. For now, this feature is in beta version and only visible in desktop users. No option provided for mobile users. In future, you see this option in mobile phone too. In this video, I'm quickly guide you how you can utilize this feature and promote your YouTube videos. Let's get started. Log into your YouTube channel. Go to Creators Studio. Go to Content section. In the upper menu, click on the Promotions. How the ads will look when you go for advertising is shown here. You see some instructions are given here. Let's advertise the video which you're watching right now. Click on Get Started. If you already using Google Ads account, then it will be shown here. You can use the same account here, or you can create a new account. Click on Next button. Here it will be asked to choose the video which you want to advertise. Click on Add and choose the video you want to advertise. Your ad preview is shown here. Click on Next button. Here you need to choose the targeting countries. You can add as many countries, but remember each country has its own advertising rules, and advertising cost may vary country to country. You can choose the language of target audience. Leave it empty if you don't want to specify. Click Next. Here comes how you want to spend on advertising your video. Choose your country currency and the total budget. Choose till how many days you want to run this ad. Based on these information, it shows on an average how much you'll be spending in a day for this advertisement. Click Next button. Here comes the last step. Provide the payment information. Choose the country you are living. If you already have money in your Google Ads account, then that will be shown here. If not, you need to create new payment profile. Here, fill all the information correctly. Now you need to add payment methods. Here you see various payment methods. Choose any one of your choice. Fill all the details. Next, you need to add payment amount. There is a minimum amount threshold for adding money. Add the amount above that and click on Continue. Tick this button and click on Promote. Make payment through which method you have chosen. Once money is added, your video ad will be created. YouTube will review your video, and within 1 day your ad will be shows on YouTube. You can edit your ad anytime. Here you can make changes like adding or deleting countries where your ads will show, budget, and date. Also, you can seek for support from YouTube regarding the ads. Hope you find this video useful and informative. If so, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more quick tutorials. If you stuck anywhere, you can comment down below this video. And also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.